Hi, and welcome to Whimsy Room. Here, you'll find DIY projects, homeschool inspiration, activity ideas for kids, and I'll also take you along on our gardening and homesteading adventures. I'm Samantha. I consider myself multi-passionate and love everything creative, crafty, and making things beautiful. You'll also see my daughters, R and E, from time to time. We love crafting, baking, and learning together. We hope you do too. Let's do a beginning of March garden tour. This is my thyme from last year and some lettuce and spinach. These are yarrow seedlings. This is the only garlic that survived. And then these are catnip. These are tomatoes, or one tomato, that I had to transplant early because it was getting leggy. With some, I think it's spinach. Yeah, it's spinach. To just take up space too. What are those?
This is Mama. These are Mama's pretty
violas.
Violas.
Yeah. All right, and that one is
They smell so good.
lavender. Strawberries and some more spinach that they were real leggy, so I put them in here to try and save them. We'll see.
Got a lot of weeds.
Another attempt at a tomato seedling, and then these are flowers that I put in there. Actually, yeah, these are flowers.
Stomp it. Stomp it.
This isn't spinach. This is
The weeds are so pretty, but
cosmos, I think. Herb bed. I separated out some herbs
Where did my boots go?
in the garage. Thyme, oregano, rosemary, sage.
Speaking of the weeds, I'm gonna go stomp them and trim them. They need a lot.
All right. Do you want to introduce your seedlings first?
This is this is Sunny. This is
Zinnia.
Zinni. Cosmo. This is Cosmo.
That one looks like catnip. And then yeah, and you think this is an oak tree?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what's this one?
A yellow delightful.
Delightful.
What?
It's a pansy.
I don't want to call that.
Okay. Some more oregano that I separated out. Here's some more seedlings. Pretty sure these ones are spinach and lettuce, but they could be flowers. I don't know. I didn't label them. Remy's fern still sticking around. Remy also got a peppermint plant.
It smells delicious when you water it.
Rub those leaves. They smell good. Can you smell it, Ellie? Good job.
Delightful.
Big rosemary. I actually trimmed quite a bit of it and separated it out because it's getting so big.
This is what we call a weed.
That is a big weed. You gonna pull it up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I use the trimmers.
These are potatoes.
The leaves are on.
More seedlings. The foil is because they were indoors up until just now today. Come out here to get some real sunshine. These are cucumbers. Starting to get some true leaves on there. Baby tomatoes. This little guy, I don't know what's going on with him. More tomatoes, broccoli, more broccoli, marigold, chamomile. I can get it to germinate, but I can never get it to grow past this point, so we'll see. More broccoli. This is my cosmos. This one, what are you, a zinnia? Oh, great. Don't you love that? I labeled it, but it washed away. More tomatoes, more chamomile, catnip, cosmos, yarrows. Nice big yarrow here. Either that or a sunflower got carried in. And this should be lavender seeds. Tomatoes, jalapenos, cayenne, nothing yet. One of the reaper seeds I was able to finally get grown. Yeah, these are all just various peppers and tomatoes. And a bed of spinach and cosmos, I believe. Lettuce. And then, yeah, I'm pretty sure these are cosmos though, because they look just like my cosmos in the other. And then wisteria, still waiting to come back from dormancy. I checked, it is still green. Oh look, there's some little buds. Got some little green growth here on my wisteria. But these peppers that I tried to overwinter, I don't see any signs of life in them. So if you know anything about overwintering peppers, let me know how much longer I should wait before giving up on them. Anybody in here? Oh, look at that. Growing something in the compost. Several somethings. Wonder what that is. Nobody's in here eating it yet though, so that's why they're growing. Here we go. Here's our worm buddies. Hey guys. You want to see the worms? Mm-hmm.
Let me pick the one up for them.
This is mostly sunflowers. Yeah, I know, I saw that. Mostly sunflowers that self-seeded from last year. Onions. Mixture of yellow and white onions. And then these are some beetroots. Need to thin them out and then we'll probably eat them. The little sprouts as microgreens. Some lettuce that needs to be thinned out. And a little bit of snow peas coming up. This other bed up here has quite a few more snow peas. And yes, they could also be snap peas, but I prefer to eat them before they puff out. So they're usually snow peas for us.
I love these. I'm picky about my peas. I only eat them if it's mama grown.
Some lettuce
I think you got a mushroom.
Flowers. Ooh, good. That means our soil is good.
Stomp on your weeds. Stomp on the
And
small
some more
weeds.
beets. Ouch. Ant on me. Yep. So the yard's a mess, but the garden's beautiful. That's what's growing in our garden for March.